gun! Move away, sir, move away! Move away, sir, move away! Sir, move away! Sir, move away!
An officer tries to de-escalate a chaotic struggle, but the moment a gun appears, everything changes. This is how it unfolded frame by frame.
That's the guy right there, man. He's just screaming, he's hitting the walls, he's calling everybody out. He took the upstairs neighbor's bike.
271, several residents have this party detained.
Several residents have you failed to detain.
This is the police department. I need you to lay down on your stomach. Put your hands out to the side. Lay down on your stomach. Gun! Gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Move away, sir! Move away! Move away, sir! Move away! Sir, move away! Sir, move away! Lay down! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! 271, I have shots fired. Suspect hit, suspect down.
All units, code 9 channel 1, shots fired. 20.
Where's the gun? All right, leave it there.
Sam 23, Steve, copy.
I need everybody staying here. Everybody needs to stay right here. 271, I need rescue ASAP.
They're en route.
God damn it. God damn it. God damn it.
You alright? Who needs to run?
My taser's here, bud. We just need to make sure everybody stays here. Taser's here.
Okay.
His gun's here. I just dropped my taser.
Okay.
I activated the taser first as he was pulling the gun out of his pocket. This gentleman was fighting to try to get the gun away from him.
Okay.
He appeared in danger. The gun was pointed directly at his head, and that's when I finally
Relax,
fired
put
because
your
the gun
hands
wasn't getting away.
You guys are okay. Put your hands down.
Yeah,
No,
guys,
put
just
your
calm
hands
down. No,
down.
you're not under arrest or anything. I just need you guys staying here, okay?
Who else saw this?
I don't know if anybody else. This gentleman here did too.
Okay, give me a minute. I'll come talk to you guys, okay?
Bruce, you got any gloves?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm all right.
Rob, you okay with being here while I put tape up?
Let's hold off on the tape for just a bit. I'm going to try to start life-saving measures with this guy.
Okay. I can do that. I can do that right now.
All right. 271, we're beginning life-saving measures.
Beginning life-saving measures at 2004.
Actually, I'm just going to leave that there. Let's get arms out wide.
Yep.
And just chest compressions. I fired one time, hit him in the upper torso. You okay?
32, I'm out. 2004.
Right here! These guys are all witnesses. Yeah, I fired one round. These guys are all witnesses here. Got gun here, got gun here, and taser here.
Okay, you want to go stand by my
His
car?
guy's gun here. I'm all right here for now. Let me just stay here for now.
Guys, can I have you all just stand by the stairs for me, please? Do you have gloves?
Yeah, I just put them on.
Do you have extras?
Just these here, but
Bruce, I'll take over.
God,
You okay?
yeah, I'm all right.
Take turns.
Yeah, I'm putting gloves on right now.
All right, let me know where.
Okay, switch. You're good. Is it okay if I go see my lady?
Where is she and where are you? Where are you going to?
We're right here. We're right here.
What number?
20.
20, yes.
Sir, I just want to make sure she's okay.
You're good. You're good.
I'll be right back.
Yep, thank you.
Do you have shears or anything?
No. She's almost here.
That's fine.
She's working on it.
See if you want to cut a shirt off while we wait, but that's okay.
1043 and 110, can I do?
Hi.
I'm good for a minute. You're fine.
Yeah, I got witness here. I got 3 witnesses here. One of the gentlemen here,
Hey, sir, can
green
you push my
shirt,
glasses
shorts,
up before they fall into blood?
was fighting with him to get the gun. This is my taser. This is the gun he had in his hand that the other gentleman was fighting to try to get away from him.
And then what do we have? What glasses you said?
Oh, he got it.
No, no.
Let's get, hey,
Ready,
Bruce?
Bruce?
We let him know that,
You ready, Bruce?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
We have all this right here. He's done right here. Stuff like that. He's just waiting for some more witnesses over here. Yeah, just leave your stuff there. Leave the car where it's at.
Yeah, I'm alright. I want to get you out of here, but damn it, I'm just so pissed that he forced me to do that. Okay. Jesus. He was fighting and he had it pointed right at this guy's head. The guy couldn't get control of the gun. I was trying to tell him to clear, but he kept fighting with him, and then the gun went right up to it, and I thought any second his hands looked like he's on the trigger, and I fired one time.
I'm gonna get you back to the PD. Yeah. Okay. Could I ask you a few questions in my car, and I'll get you over there real quick. You want to go back to my car real quick after I get the
Yeah, sure. Guys, just remember taser and gunner right here. Let's
I'll
make
watch
sure.
the gun.
And again, 3 guys up here. One of them went into 20. The other ones are still over there. What's that?
No.
Any rounds?
No. Fired one time, hit him in the torso.
You okay, man?
Yeah, I'm alright, thanks. What's that?
You okay with going with Mark?
Okay with doing what?
Going with Mark Steve?
Oh, of course.
Good to you, Salazar.
Guys, I need you to my location to transport out to Texas. Yeah, coming up on 112 Federal, I'll be there shortly.
Camera on or camera off?
Camera off. Or at least on mute.
The suspect, whose identity has not been officially released, pointed a handgun at another person during a tense encounter in Adams County. Officer Phelps fired 1 round, striking the armed individual. Officers immediately began life-saving efforts until paramedics arrived and transported him to the hospital. Despite those efforts, he later died from his injuries. As per protocol, Officer Phelps was placed on administrative leave. The incident is now under independent investigation by the 17th Judicial Critical Incident Response Team. Their findings will be presented to the District Attorney for legal review. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember, in law enforcement, every second counts.